Happy 2025, everybody. I want to thank PotomacBeads for sending another subscription box for me to open here on YouTube and show everybody the contents up close like I always do. This is their treasure edition. So let's just open it up and see what is inside this month. They package it very tightly so you know that your beads are going to arrive nice and safe. As beaders, you know, we definitely need beads. Let's check out everything that's in the subscription box. You never know what color palette it will be or mix of beads, so let's see what inspiration we will find. Every month, the box will have a theme. You can see here it is Fireside Warmth. And then you can read a little bit about their description on one side. And when you flip it over, it gives you a list of the supplies that are inside the box. Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet, and I can't wait to show you this warm, rich palette of beads. How beautiful. There are really some beautiful large beads included in this month's box. The largest one being these 16mm check faceted rounds. They're a beautiful light yellow crystal. A total of 3 in the package. And these beads are a check glass nugget. They're an Ovalline Picasso. And with just hints of blue in them, they are such a beautiful bead. And there was also this package of beautiful check dagger beads. They're a single hole dagger, and they correlate so beautifully with the nugget beads that we just saw. And there's 4 of these check star beads. They're just a little puffy, adding a touch of warmth to the mix so far. Their beautiful finish on them just captures a little bit of light. Another nice sized bead to add to your stash. Let's look at some of these 2-hole beads this month. These are round duo beads, round just like a pearl, but with 2 holes. This is a jet bronze color. And the super duos. And of course, this is a red Picasso. Love the Picasso finish for that sort of earthy look that it brings to any piece that you use them in. They look nice together. And there's some very pretty 4mm round garnet check glass beads. They definitely coordinate very well with these Picasso super duos. Here are the star beads again. And there are these 20mm perfect form endless rings. They're a premium antique brass plated finish. They coordinate really well with the entire box this month. And then there is an entire tube of the Azuki seed beads. They're a size 11. They're a metallic brown iris. Very pretty. And a 15-inch strand of 3mm gemstone beads. These are a fire agate in the color peridot. There are Athena cast micro spacers where you can put a little chaton in the middle. This super lush ancient gold 3mm check round bead. And these 2mm Potomac crystal bicones. A package of disc duo beads, this fun shape, and this awesome champagne luster finish. They're a 6mm bead. And a strand of check glass pinch beads. Everything coordinating so nicely.